Now, this is where the fun begins. So this is where composers can design the interactivity that the music deserves to have in the game. What we need to do is create a macro. And macros are parameters that can control many facets of musical transformations at once. Let's name this my interesting control. To this, we can then drag these interactive blocks. And these are the ones responsible for the musical transformations. Let's start with the basic one, scaling of tempo. We add this to my parameter and then hit play. And now this parameter will directly affect the tempo of the music. We could add as many macros as we'd like, and all of them can affect different parts of the music. Let's make one called mood, for instance. And to that, we're going to add a interactive block we call modal transpose. And this will essentially change the scale of the track from a minor into a major, or the different musical modes, such as Locrian or Dorian, etc. Let's have a quick listen to that. The changes could be instantaneous, or you can quantize the changes to only happen on strong beats or on every 2 bars or whatever you can think of. Another one we can have a look at is one called drag, which essentially pushes some notes around, making a piece feel more alive and sort of ever-changing. So you get some rhythmic variation going on, it creates some tension. And then when you go back, you find the sound being more still again. We can test one called note probability, and that essentially punishes notes that are outside of strong beat points. So with a very low probability, we only get very strong beats. Pulling that up, we pull more and more of the composition back into play.